That is a policy that addresses the rights of employees and outsiders to either solicit for causes or distribute literature in your workplaces. A company that doesn't have a no solicitation, no distribution policy in place cannot adopt one if union activity begins. However, if an employer has one in place before union activity begins, the employer has the right to enforce that policy. And so it's very important to have the policy. What's more important, though, is if you have one, is to make sure that it's legal. And why that matters is if the policy is worded incorrectly and is illegal, that the existence of that policy alone can be enough to set aside the result of a union election if it's favorable to the employer, and give the union a second bite at the apple in a rerun election. The types of things that get employers in trouble in these policies are things like the employer has the right to restrict an employee during the employee's work time, but not during the employee's working hours. The difference is working hours basically are from when the employee arrives at work to when the employee leaves work. Work time is in between that, but doesn't include breaks and lunches. So break time and lunchtime, employees are free to solicit each other as they see fit. And employers sometimes get in trouble by trying to use the phrase working hours. Usually they do it by accident, and it's a lesson learned the hard way if brought up on charges.
So they can distribute